Hi everyone, this is Chris with Best Forex Team, and I wanted to make a quick video talking about our Forex trading signals to let you know a little bit how it works and what they consist of. A little bit about them. Since inception, we've had a 74.6% win rate across all the trades. This obviously allows for massive profitability. 27 winning months in a row since we started releasing these. We actually haven't had a losing month since we started. That's over 2 years. Results have been stellar so far. And we have over 20 years experience, so it's not like we just popped up yesterday or anything like that. There are two of us that created this system, over 20 years experience total, so pretty qualified. This is how the signals work a little bit. We are scanning all the time to find trade opportunities with a 70% chance or higher of being successful. If that's the case, we place the trade in our own trading account because of course we take these trades as well. When that happens, at the same time, we send you a trading signal telling you exactly what to do. And then, of course, it's up to you to place that same trade into your trading account. Again, all of this is 100% automated and instant, so it's not like there are any delays. If you take a look behind the scenes of our trade signals, the chart on the left, each dot you see there is completely automated and placed on our trades as we're scanning. And then it's up to us to identify which of the signals have over a 70% chance or higher. Our system is constantly scanning the 6 major currency pairs every second for 100% objective trade setups that we've programmed. Our strategy then attempts to identify the first pullback or the double top, double bottom setups on those that pop up in newly identified trends. The reason we go for these setups, of course there's hundreds of different setups you can trade, but these setups, the double top, double bottoms, and the first pullback in a new trend, they often have the highest thrust or velocity when they continue that new movement, which allows for faster, higher, profitable, more predictable trades. So that's why we take those. When this happens, we get a signal alert immediately internally. And each signal that we get internally has a success probability score, and as well as a stop loss and a profit target. But if the success probability score is more than 70%, which means it's got a 70% chance or higher of being profitable, we take the trade, no questions asked. And again, this is all 100% automated. We let the scanner do the work so that we can just focus on the execution. And since inception, we've had 23,500 signals generated. Again, our scanner is quite robust and is a powerful machine, and then we just let it do the work. This is why our signals, some of the reasons why our signals are better than the other stuff out there. There's a lot of junk out there, so definitely be careful. But when it comes to us, these are some things that kind of set us apart. Our signals are released, it's up to you. We have mobile app, we have SMS signals, we can send them to your email, and actually now we can even send them to your WhatsApp, so it's up to you. We have 6 to 15 signals per day on average. Obviously, some days are slower than others, some days are extremely active, but on average, 6 to 15 signals per day. Overall, our average return per month is 34.6%, which is remarkable and a stat that we're very proud of. All of our trading signals are 100% objective. All you have to do is just execute what we send you. Overall, we have 74.6% winning trades. Again, a remarkable stat. That's over 27 months of thousands of trades, so quite profitable. And again, we follow the 6 major pairs, so it's not like you have to track 1,000 different pairs or assets or anything like that. We just trade these 6. There's plenty of opportunity, and we stay in our lane as far as that's concerned. We touched base on it already, but the 70% rule that we have is extremely important. So I'm going to go through it one more time. In short, if it's not a 70% chance or higher of winning, we don't take the trade. We know if we're patient and take only the trades with the best probability of winning, we'll end up on top. So again, we only take trades that historically have a 70% chance or higher of being profitable. This, of course, comes from our success probability score that we have programmed, and that's what dictates whether or not we take the trade, and every trade that we take, we release to you via our signals. So that's how the 70% rule comes into play. And lastly, our signal performance. Oftentimes an equity curve kind of says everything in a much clearer way. The equity curve here on the left, you can tell how smooth it is. This is over the last 2,000 trades. And again, if you just execute the trades that are sent to you, you can expect a similar equity curve. This example here, it starts at 10,000 quid. Of course, you can start with much less, even as low as 500 quid. But 10,000 quid would already have turned into almost 70,000 quid just over the last 2,000 trades if you took all of our executed trades. So quite smooth, beautiful equity curve, which of course is nice to see. And then the net profit per month, this just shows month to month over the recent months that we've had. The profitability, we've had the 27 winning months in a row, which I mentioned, and our average return is 34% per month. We had a month that was insane. It was over 106% return. That was December of last year. But again, every month profitable. You're not going to get rich overnight or anything like that, but consistency and proper money management are very powerful things, especially when used together. So that's about it. If you need help, reach out to us. We would be happy to get you activated. We often have some trials, specials, certain offers and so on that allow you to get in with essentially no risk. So definitely reach out, and we hope to connect with you soon. Happy trading.